Hello and welcome to One-Point Partitions install video for powder-coated steel partitions with the standard in-corner layout. These install videos are to be used in conjunction with our printed install guide that can be found in your order. Also, a downloadable copy is available on our website. The most important step of the installation is the most critical step, and that is to lay out exactly where all the parts and pieces are to be placed in the room according to the approved design drawings. This allows you to know exactly where each part and piece will be installed in the room and also let you know if there's any issues before you start installing. Okay, first we'll install our pilaster bracket kit. And the pilasters are 1 1/4 inch thick for this material, and the pilaster brackets will accommodate that thickness. Okay, next we'll install the panel to pilaster kit, and this is a 2-eared or mid-panel connection. And this particular bracket is 1 inch thick, which is the thickness of panels. All right, then we will install the other 2 panel bracket kits. One is a 1-eared or in-panel kit, and the other one is a 2-eared or mid-panel kit. Okay, next we'll work on our pilasters. And here is the pilaster mounting hardware. And in come our easy mount shoes, and those are just simply placed on the floor, and we use the concrete screws to secure those shoes to the floor, and those are stainless steel shoes. All right, after the shoes are installed, we will now need 12-inch blocks to place the panels on, and we'll just simply slide the panels into the wall brackets, but we'll not secure them to the wall brackets. Okay, next we'll be installing the U-brackets from the panel kits to the back side of the pilasters. The placement of the U-brackets on the back side of the pilasters is to be determined by the markings that you had put on the floor at the beginning of the installation. Make sure the gap between the panel and the pilaster matches your design drawings, and then you can secure the panel and pilaster together. And then after that's finished, you can secure the panel to the back wall brackets. Next, we'll work on the U-bracket connection with the other panels. Okay, and once that is secure, we can remove the 12-inch blocks. And next we'll work on the pilaster that is attached to the wall. In go our leveling bolts, and then we'll make sure that this pilaster is plumb and level. We'll secure the pilaster to the wall brackets using our standard sheet metal screws. Make sure the gap at the wall is per the design drawings, and this pilaster is perfectly plumb and level. Next, we'll work on our door kit. This is an outswing door. We'll first install the bottom portion of the hinge directly onto the pilaster. We'll be using our step bolts, otherwise known as through bolts. And here is our gravity cam system. And that just is secured to the bottom portion of the hinge. The opposing cam is placed into the bottom side of the door. And then we'll attach the upper portion of the hinge directly to the door. Then we'll place this door onto the bottom portion of the hinge, and then do a dry swing, make sure everything functions correctly, then secure the upper portion of the hinge to the pilaster. Next, we'll install our concealed knob set, and we will also include a couple door pulls here since this is a handicap compliant door. Next, we'll install the striking keeper, make sure it lines up with the concealed knob set before installation. Next, we'll install the coat hook and bumper, make sure it's no higher than 48 inches above the floor since this is a handicap compliant door. And here is installation of a standard door bumper, install where needed. Now we'll install the other 2 doors. Same process, always make sure to dry swing the doors before installation of the top portion of the hinge. Okay, next we'll work on the headrail. And we will be using the headrail kit. You can place the headrail on top of the pilasters to find the correct location for the headrail brackets onto the wall. You can slip the headrail over the top of the pilasters, place at least 1, preferably 2 screws per pilaster. And here goes the end cap along with additional headrail brackets. We'll be installing this, what we call a return headrail. And that is it. Thanks for watching our installation video, and feel free to contact us here at One Point Partitions by way of phone, email, or text anytime if you have any questions whatsoever regarding your installation of the bathroom stalls.